What's up, guys? How's it going? So this after something I didn't even notice this morning. But I'm making a video now. Nikola Corporation just snuck up on us and skyrocketed 20% on some news catalyst of more truck orders or something like that. Nikola jumps after securing 2,500 electric garage truck orders. It's ridiculous. I mean, they gained billions and billions of market cap for some truck orders. You really think that retail investors pump this? You think retail investors go, "Oh, look, 2,500 trucks. Oh my God, I gotta pump it $2 billion. Come on, retail investors." No. Nikola is the most hated company for retail investors on YouTube. I've done my research and I know that almost every YouTuber talks bad about Nikola Motors. Every YouTuber talks bad about Nikola Motors. This is works of billionaires. Billionaires are coming in and pumping Nikola. I remember talking about Nikola Motors and saying how ridiculous the market cap was at $12 billion. And now it's $16.6 billion. They gained literally $5 billion from me talking about, 5 days ago, a week ago. I talked about it. It was sitting at I think like 36 or something, or 35, or even less. 30, like when it was sitting around $30. I was saying that it was like $12 billion. Now it has a market cap of $16.64 billion. It has a market cap way higher than Workhorse, and everyone loved Workhorse. All the retail investors love Workhorse. All the retail investors hate Nikola Motors, and Nikola Motor gained $5 billion of market cap. Sometimes it's better to buy the company that all the retail investor hates, because when there's no retail investors, big money can come in and pump the stock without worrying about transferring wealth to retail investors. That's just how the market works. The market doesn't want to transfer money to retail investors. Hyperchain comes out and says that Nikola has vaporware, and there's so much hate for Nikola Motors, and yet Nikola Motors explode $5 billion of market cap this morning. $5 billion. Every dollar Nikola Motor goes up is about $360 million, I believe. $378 million every dollar the stock goes up. And Nikola was trading on 39 million shares today. 39 million shares at, let's say, $40. 40 times, sorry, let's just say an average of $40 times 39 million shares. $1.56 billion. $1.56 billion got traded on Nikola Motors today. And Workhorse, what? 17 million. Workhorse not bad, 17, but it's down. So that means, what does that mean? That means that there's a fight between short sellers and big money. And that's why it had decent volume today. But, it's still ridiculous though. $39 billion, 39 million volume got traded today. The market cap is 16.57. They're worth 17 times more than Workhorse. That's just ridiculous. They're worth more than Ford. They're worth more. No, wait. Are they worth more than Ford? No, they're not worth more than Ford. They're just behind Ford and GM. That's ridiculous. But, that's the way the market works. The market likes to pump stocks that have very little retail investors in it. Solo stock is, they have way more pre-orders than, I don't know why Solo management doesn't try to follow Nikola and try to follow Trevor Milton and try to promote their stock the way, like, look, we'll sell out every Solo car for the next 2 years because we have, 40,000 pre-orders on backlog for the solo car or something, or even promote that 23,000, more than 23. I mean, it has to be more than 23 now. It should be like closer to 40 or something. Why don't they promote that? Why don't they go out and they tell investors that they have so much pre-orders on backlog that they won't be able to keep up with demand for at least 2 years? If they said that, the stock will explode, but they're not. They're very silent about it, and the CEO's even like saying, we are starting off slow with our production. We don't plan to do it fast. We're gonna really take a slow approach to launching our solo products. And on top of that, they don't even want to have an investor relations meeting for the earnings call. So that's, I mean, I don't know why. They should. But hey, whatever. That's what I get. That's what management wants to do. And that's what they will do. Diamond Peak Holdings. Another fan favorite. A lot of people like this company. A lot of retail investors really like this company, but yet the stocks is sitting there and do nothing. That's just the reality of it. NEO stock, a lot of people love NEO stock, and NEO is worth how much? Yeah, $16 billion. They're worth as much as Nikola, and Workhorse is worth 1.5. I think Workhorse can be potentially a Nikola or NEO in the future if they get the USP postal service thingy. It could be worth so much, but we gotta wait. We gotta have patience, and we gotta wait until the USP thing announced the deal for Workhorse. Blink is just down today. Could be an opportunity. Could keep falling. Don't know at the end of the day what's gonna do, but it's the gas station of electric future. So, I mean, I'm bullish on Blink. I think Blink could be a $1 billion market cap company one day. Candy Technology Group, KNDI, trading sideways. Oh, actually, yeah, it had a little pop near the beginning of the day. Not too much to say about that. Li Auto down 45 cents. Nvidia had a drop during the day, and now it's starting to rally again. $2.78 billion. It's valued $70 billion more than Intel. That is insane. Just insane. And AMD, like I said, big money determines where the stock price goes. Obviously, there's a lot of big money in Nvidia. That's why they're valued at $278 billion, way more than Intel. And Intel is has a P ratio of 9, and they're only worth 209. Yeah, Intel is a story where they are screwing up internally, while Nvidia is not. Nvidia is like the exciting story where they're going to go into data centers with the graphics cards, and Intel is like, oh, we are messing up everywhere. We lost our CEO, we lost Jim Keller, we lost our graphics card division, we lost our 7nm process. That's just the story right now, and story is what's driving the stock price. AMD has exciting story. We're beating Intel. We're competing with Nvidia. We have the game consoles coming out. Just a lot of exciting stuff in AMD. That's why AMD has such a high value. It's all about the story at the end of the day. Nikola is definitely about the story at the end of the day. So yeah. Not too much to say about that. The SPY is up 63 cents this morning. Oh yeah, Micron. Micron has no story behind it, but Micron is, $54 billion, so that's just the reality of it. Canopy Growth didn't drop, held its ground. Afria also holding its ground. Aurora is dropping though. So Aurora today, it fell back down, but it's popping a little bit right now. Tilray popping 5.56%. Kron probably popped 2.84%. Cresco Labs today up 4%. Liberal Health Science down, up half a penny. High Tide up, whoa, 1.5%. Oh yeah. Well, I mean, it's not that great, but at least it's up. I'm a shareholder. I believe in this company. Will I be buying more? No. I'm too scared. If it drops back down, no, I don't know. It's just scary to me. I'm just gonna be. I'm just happy it's up, and I'm not down on my position. Yeah. Cresco Labs. Yeah. No. Oh yeah. AVCO. Look at that, up 9 cents. I don't have a huge position in this, but obviously there's starting to be some love for this. And then the other company that I talked about before, ELVT, up 19 cents, 7.34%. I bring you winners. I sold out of this position for to buy into DPHC, and that's not really performing too well for me, but that's just my reality. I decided to pick this because I thought it was going to be a hot stock. I thought it was going to be the next Nikola, but there's some I phoned these people and they didn't even call me back. I told them how many shares I have, and they were like, I'm not gonna bother with this guy. Like, I thought it was gonna be at least a shell, because I think that company is way more impressive than Tourist Acquisition Corp or Hyliion, but that's just my opinion. That the market does what it does at the end of the day. Anyways, this is it for my video. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.